take a look at all the cars that are over here. First, we've got the 750 Lambo in yellow. Looks really nice. I don't know the Lamborghini color. And then we've got a bagged R8 and Aston Martin Vantage, Lamborghini Aventador SVJ right here. And then we've got the McLaren 720S with a carbon hood, a Rolls Royce Ghost. Looks nice. And then we've got the Ferrari 488. I don't think it's a Pista. And then let's go behind this, and we have the Ford GT, the 2005 Ford GT. Got all the photographers taking all those photos. And then we've got a Porsche 911 over here. And then if you see back there, we've got one more McLaren 720S. Overall, really nice lineup today, and we've got so many more cars to explore. Now this is a rare spot, Ford F-150 Lightning. Take a look at this. These are really rare. Amazing. I've only seen this car in Forza Horizon, but this is crazy. Really nice car. Take a look how lifted this Jeep is. Wow, that's really tall. And then we've got the Audi R8 V10. I think I've shot this car before. It's really nice. It's got a really nice interior, the entire stitching. Audi always makes really good cars, and this is probably one of my favorite, the Mercedes AMG GT 4-door. This car is just something I love so much. This one's the GT53 right here, and we've got the brown leather seats, and then we've got the dash. Look how long that screen goes. I think it's like a 26-inch display, something like that. And then in the back, we've also got extreme comfort. Even got, I think, a place to like store all your drinks. These rims, look how massive these rims are. Just overall, one of my favorite cars. And right here, completely missed it. A Ford Type 65 Daytona. I'm not sure how rare this is, but I have to definitely look that up, see how cool it is. Apparently this car was at SEMA. And we've got the Shelby Cobra, both two Shelby Cobras. You can see how big their rotary motor is. Then we got another Shelby Cobra right here. Just really nice cars here. The 427, which has a lot of memories for me from Ford vs Ferrari. Just such cool cars. Look how loud all the other cars are, but this is my friend Holmes' brother's car. Overall, such a nice car. I think the red interior is probably some of my favorite. I just love the red interior. This car is just so loud right here. So loud. This Ferrari 488 takeoff. Look at those lights. Take a look at this. Just amazing. Sounds so good. he's getting pulled over. He knows it. He knows it. He knows he's getting pulled over. Oh my god. Just almost got hit. Right here. Back in action. Got more cars lining up. Let's see what happens. Just wait for the cop. There you go. There's his next victim right there. He knows he's done. Hi. How are you?
Good.
So, are you mostly pulling over for speed, or what are you looking for?
People breaking the law.
People breaking the law.
Pull you over.
Okay, and then I noticed you're able to get back here really fast. So does it usually like go with like a warning, or is it just like, is it really fast these days?
It's electronic.
It's electronic.
Scan a license.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, it's become really advanced. Yeah, I haven't gotten a ticket before, so
Yep.
I've never really known,
Yeah,
but
it's all electronic these days.
awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good
Keep
one.
people safe. This is not a car race. It's a car show.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you so much. Try to get that first take in. She's claiming that he's pointing a gun. She's claiming that the guy was pointing a gun. Doesn't look like he has anyone to shut down right now. Julia's back. I like the horn. The M4, M3. He's already got someone. Or not. Looks like he's just going back, trying to find a better plate. Okay guys, looks like I'm gonna head out. It was an awesome day of car spotting. I don't think I got too much content, but it was a lot of good cars. Someone finally bought a 750, no, not a 750, an SVJ. That's amazing. And then we'll take a look right here as I'm walking to my car. You see the Toyota Supra. There are just so many cars in Oklahoma. People underestimate this place, and it's just such an awesome area to get cars. So yeah, looking forward to editing this. I'm sharing what photos I took today, because I also did bring my camera bag. That's what my backpack is for. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm ready to get back inside from this heat.